Okay, so P3.3, power from the sun and the earth. Now, the two ways that we get power from the sun and from the earth, the first way is from solar panels, and the second way is from a solar furnace. So, solar panels, very straightforward. You have light, it comes in, it hits your solar panel. When it hits your solar panel emits an electron, which then conducts electricity directly. It's the only method of generating electricity directly. So this one, so solar panels directly generates electricity. All other methods use a turbine, a generator, and so some form of kinetic energy into electrical energy, whereas solar just goes light straight to electric. You don't need to turn a turbine or to turn a generator. Okay, and then the other type of solar power is a bit more indirect, and if you have a tower here and then loads of mirrors surrounding it, and it tends to be done in really hot places and deserts and places like that. Okay, the light comes in, it hits these mirrors, and it all gets focused onto this one tower. And then this one tower, all the light that comes in, all gets focused on this tower. It gets really, really hot. It gets really, really hot. That would then boil water, which would then turn a turbine, which would then turn a generator. So that's the more traditional one, and that's known as a solar furnace. Okay, so, and then we've got another type of energy generation called geothermal. And geothermal is similar in that it uses heat to turn a turbine. So geothermal. Geo means earth, thermal means hot. So this is all to do with hot earth. Okay, and basically all you do is you have your plant here, you drill a hole here, you send down cold water, it then gets heated up by the earth. You then pump back up the hot water, and that is because if you drill down somewhere where the earth isn't very thick, where the crust isn't very thick, you can drill into very, very hot ground. Somewhere like Iceland, which has got a lot of volcanoes, does a lot of geothermal energy. And that's the main problem with this. You have to have a thin crust, because if your crust is too thick, if your earth is too thick, then you have to drill down a really long way before it's hot enough to make any hot water. Okay, so it's all to do with what conditions you have. And for geothermal, you need to have thin crust. The good thing about it is it's very reliable. So unlike solar panel or solar furnace, it's very reliable. The problem with the solar furnace is that you need to have it in a very hot country. The problem with the solar panel is that it's not as reliable. It's getting more reliable, but it's not as reliable.